Introducing the Orbimax TXi series Industrial TIG Welders. Crafted with precision in Germany, these machines are here to revolutionise industrial TIG welding in the Australian market. Available in 3 powerful models, the Orbimax TXi series offers unrivaled performance and reliability. The Orbimax TXi series features the innovative Sirius user interface with a full-colour digital display, making it easy for operators to set up in minutes. No more deciphering confusing symbols or codes, every part of the weld process is clearly named. The exclusive Smart Assist feature is an automatic programming function where you simply input the material type, thickness and weld position and let the machine take care of the rest. It automatically sets up the machine ready for refining. Once you've perfected your weld settings, the Orbimax TXi series allows you to save them in the weld library. Your preferred settings are now readily available, allowing you to focus on what matters most, getting on with the weld ahead. Hyperpulse focuses the arc, delivering greater depth of penetration and faster welding speeds. Ideal for welding of aluminium and brass, the exclusive dual-wave technology alternates between AC and DC, making challenging welding tasks easy for operators with any skill level. The Orbimax TXi series is built to last, with practicality in mind. Mounted on a sturdy trolley with large wheels, the TXi machines have an integrated gas bottle holder, lead and torch holder, so that everything you need is right at your fingertips. And for those seeking even greater automation, the Orbimax TXi series offers a separate cold wire feeder accessory ready for seamless integration. Elevate your welding capabilities, empower your team, and increase productivity with results that will set you apart. Contact us today to learn more about the Orbimax TXi series and discover how these exceptional machines can transform your business and unlock a world of possibilities. Weld smarter with Orbimax.